In front of me is Oppo A54s, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to contacts, and for example, if you'd like to block Monkey, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Confirm that you would like to block him, and that's it. If you would like to set some general rules, tap on more icon, go to settings, pick block numbers, and here you can block all unknown colors, and also you can add some particular phone number manually right here. So just provide it here. Tap on block, and that's it. To release some number from blockade, just tap on cross icon right here and they will no longer be blocked. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.